Valve diagnostics was typically quite a argumentative subject between certain customers. One man's opinion of a good valve varies to another, and by having data acquisition equipment, you're able to repeatedly measure those results. So if you've got a valve and you suspect the valve is degrading over time, you could take a sample, you could come back to it in 6 months' time, you can record it again. You're using the same equipment, you're recording the same parameters, and as such, we can then look at those results in the past, we can look at them with the present valve performance, and we can start to analyse trends, we can make recommendations and give the customer feedback on what maintenance we would recommend and what systems they could possibly implement.